Shifting gears, South Korea's economy contracted in the first quarter of this year for the first time in 3 quarters. For more, our economy correspondent Shin Se-byuck is on the line. Sebyuck, let's begin with the key figures.
According to the Bank of Korea on Thursday, South Korea's real gross domestic product, a key indicator of the economy, shrank by 0.2% on quarter in Q1. This marks the steepest contraction since the fourth quarter of 2022, when the economy hit by the COVID-19 pandemic contracted by 0.5%. It's also the first negative growth in 3 quarters. And what's more concerning is that quarterly growth has remained below 0.1% for 4 consecutive quarters, something that hasn't happened since related statistics were first compiled in 1960. While breaking it down, private consumption and government spending fell by 0.1%, while construction investment plunged 3.2% and facility investment dropped 2.1%, dragging down the overall growth. Exports declined by 1.1%, while imports dropped 2%, mostly due to falling energy imports.
I see. Sebyuck, what are some of the key factors behind this downturn?
Well, in fact, the Bank of Korea had already hinted at a possible contraction last week. It cited several factors, including prolonged political uncertainty at home and dampened economic sentiment triggered by U.S. tariff policies. There is also the temporary halt to construction activity and a delay in demand for high-performance semiconductors like HBM chips. Given these setbacks, South Korea's full-year growth is now expected to fall short of the Bank of Korea's February forecast of 1.5%. An updated projection is expected next month after factoring in the supplementary budget currently under review by the National Assembly and developments in global trade talks.
Thank you for the detailed updates, Sebyuck. That was our correspondent Shin Se-byuck reporting on Korea's first quarter GDP figures.